Hello, I would like to teach you the simplest way to script and storyboard your videos. Now I'm talking produced videos. So these are ones that you're going to use an editing program to edit. It's not just filming something on your phone and then hitting publish to YouTube. This is something we're going to craft, so this is taking it to the next level. I actually learned this technique in college when I was studying broadcast journalism. I've since learned that it works for every type of visual story that you want to tell. Voila! Here it is! I know, it looks simple, doesn't it? I told you it was easy. You make a table with 2 columns and as many rows as you want. We can add them as we go. You label the first column audio. What does the audience hear? Then you label the second column visual. What does the audience see? Now each row represents what happens at the same time. So let me show you how this works. I went ahead and put a script in, and I'm actually going to produce this video for you so you can see what it looks like. It says, hello, why is it important to script and storyboard your videos? Stephen R. Covey said, to be successful, we need to begin with the end in mind. It's like having a map on a hike. It helps you determine your next steps so you can reach your destination. As you can see, I'm breaking up the script on different rows. The idea is basically one thought or little concept per row. And anytime you think you might want to change your visual, you need to just start a new row. So let me show you how you add the visuals now. It says, hello, why is it important to script and storyboard your videos? Now I'm going to say, what does the audience see? For this part, I'm just going to talk in the camera. That's it. Now for this quote, where it says begin with the end in mind, I want them to see the actual text of that quote. And then this part where I say, it's like having a map on a hike, I'm thinking that would be cool if the audience saw actual footage, like a video of people hiking. Now, I don't have to go and film that because there's something called stock video. It basically means someone else created that element for you and you can use it if they give you permission. Then we're gonna go back to me on the camera saying this line. And that's how it works. You simply go through your script, you say, what do I want to say, and what do I want them to see while I'm saying that? So let's review some of your options of what can go in the visual column. First of all, you can have yourself on camera. That's the most common, right? It's kind of like the glue that holds it all together because you're kind of hosting it oftentimes. Or sometimes you'll have a narrator, or in a movie they call them the talent, right? The actors or the actresses. Then you can also have text or quotes. You could create this in canva.com for free, which is a free design tool. Another option is the stock videos or stock pictures. These are things that other people have created that they're willing to share with you, either for a price or for credit. So your fourth option is what I call B-roll. Essentially, this is things that you are going to film that don't include you talking to the camera. So it's things that they're going to see while they hear you talk. And you notice there are lots of different options beyond just you talking into the camera. And what you want to make sure is that you know which visual goes where. The next thing I usually do is highlight or bold the parts of the script that I'm going to say on camera. This helps me when it comes time to film because here's the trick of these scripts. All you have to do is film 1 row at a time. You can say them 5 times if you need, because when you're editing, you can just take a clip and take the piece that you want. So in summary, what I do when I film is I record this entire script, but I'm only worrying about how I look on camera and making sure I'm looking into the camera on the parts that are highlighted or bold. Everything else, I can just say it. I could just read it, as long as you don't sound like you're reading. Then I would record my B-roll. So do you see how having the script helps you decide next what to do, and that's the next time-saving tip. You don't have to script every single word. In fact, it's a lot easier and faster if you just bullet point your script. So it's the same idea, but if you have more information to cover, and if you want to sound more conversational and more natural, sometimes the best option is to bullet point your script and then turn on the camera and talk about your bullet points. That way you stay on topic, but you still sound natural. Now let me show you what the script looks like after I've made it into a video. This is the best part. Why is it so important to script and storyboard your videos? Stephen R. Covey said, to be successful, we need to begin with the end in mind. It's like having a map on a hike. It lets you determine your next steps so you can reach your destination. In the video world, these next steps could be filming yourself on camera, filming B-roll, which means showing what you're talking about, making text or graphics, finding stock pictures or videos that someone else has made, and editing. Since I have it all written down, I know exactly what order to edit it. I promise you it will speed up your process and save you time. You will also be much happier in the end with your finished product. So what Stephen R. Covey could have said is, begin with the end in mind, begin with a script. So don't forget to script. I promise you'll be glad that you did. And Stephen R. Covey will be proud of you. I will too.